Get ready to explore with us. Our reporters are geared up with their mics, questions, and excitement.
Because we are going to hear it straight from the stars of the day, our students, teachers, and of course, our amazing parents.
Hello everyone, welcome to the most exciting day of the year at Ankarwala Education Academy. Today isn't just an exhibition, it's a celebration of ideas, creativity, curiosity and everything our young minds can imagine.
Let us dive into the exhibition adventure. Come on, follow us.
How do you feel that your project is displayed in the exhibition?
I feel really happy. Actually, we've done a lot to make this project. We've gone shopping, we've spent hours in this, and seeing parents be so amazed by the project is really making us happy.
अगर इनमें से आपको एक इमोजी उठाना है अपने एग्जीबिशन को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए तो आप कौन सा करेंगे?
We'll go with this.
All right. So can you show it to the camera?
ये वाला? Thank you.
Overall experience is very good. Everyone has participated overwhelmingly and everyone has done their hard work, and that is shown in their all of them projects and their speeches and explanations.
So explain your project.
My project is air.
So would you like to say something about air? What did you learn?
Air is important for all living beings. We cannot see the air, but we can feel it. We get air from almost everywhere. Without air, we are nothing.
The unique part is this button, because this button is helping us to move in the past and the future.
How do you feel seeing your project displayed in the exhibition?
I am feeling proud because now my project is selected for the first time in the exhibition. And I like that everyone is coming and asking questions about my project.
What was the most fun moment for you today?
Everybody was praising and appreciating my project. So how do you feel seeing your child's work showcased today?
Actually, they all are excellent. First time I see the project was also done. They very good, and their performance also very well done. I could not actually imagine these little ones. They explain like this.
So, what is so special about your project?
The fact that I made this project in just a week, and it was easy yet very hard to understand and make. It makes it special because I spent a lot of time contemplating how to work with things in custom duties, especially including tax.
So, this robot seems interesting. Let's ask him a few questions. So, how long did you take to build it?
I took around 7 to 8 days to build the project.
So, what is the most interesting part about it?
The most interesting part is that you can operate this robot with using your mobile phone, and it can talk also.
All around me, you will see projects that talk, move, create, explore, and inspire.
So how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling very robotic. I'm finding hope everyone is charged.
Can you please explain about this game?
Yeah, so there are many games. These are numbers, these are probability, and this is also the color matching. Over here, we need to bring 6, and then we'll be coming over here, and then again we'll roll the dice, and it depends on how the probability is of getting 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. So 1 upon 6 is the probability.
So, here we are going to witness a tic-tac-toe game between two maths teachers. Let's see who wins. So, can you explain me your project?
Okay, so my project is about the topic of ratio and proportion. Here we are denoting the ratio and proportion definition, proportions definition, and the properties of the definition. And here we have the 3D model of ratio and proportion that is explaining the examples. So the ratio is the comparison of the mathematical comparison of the two quantities of same kind, and proportion is the equation of stating two equal ratios.
So, ma'am, if you could describe today's exhibition in one sentence, what would it be?
So here students are showcasing their talents in coding. They know the skills of programming languages. So there they are all are showing the programming skills by doing the practicals on Scratch, Scratch Junior, or some are using HTML, Scratch 3.0.
So can you explain your project?
I have made this colorful piano app on Scratch 3.0. It's an app which helps children to learn new coding skills and many more apps. Like my friend made a maze game and I made a piano app.
So what was the best feedback you got till now?
That our project is very well made, and there are many things that can explain about Maharashtra to many people, and there are many feedbacks about our vocabulary, about Marathi and all.
तो आपके बच्चों ने आज इतनी मेहनत की है, उसके बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
बच्चों की ये जो आपको सब दिख रहा है वो सब बच्चों की मेहनत है। बच्चों ने प्रोजेक्ट बनाने में अपने 100% दिया है। प्रोजेक्ट का प्रिपरेशन अच्छे से किया, प्रेजेंटेशन अच्छे से किया है, और एक ग्रेड 1 और 2 के बच्चे हैं, छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, फिर भी उन्होंने अपना 100% दिया है अपने प्रोजेक्ट।
बहुत ही अच्छा रहा, लेकिन छोटे बच्चों ने जो किया था बहुत ही अच्छे से किया था, और एक्सप्लेन भी बहुत अच्छे से करते हैं और समझाते भी हैं, और साथ साथ में गेम्स भी खेलते हैं।
आप एग्जीबिशन को 5 में से कितने स्टार्स दो?
5 में से 5 ही रहेंगे, क्योंकि बहुत ही मेहनत की है बच्चों ने और अच्छे से किया है सब।
थैंक यू।
Hello, what is the most unique part of the event that you?
That is a unique part of this event that children have made so many things and beautiful like this painting. You can see.
What was the most exciting thing of this event?
The most exciting thing of this event was to sell the products which are made by the students.
We met many parents, and it was great to communicate with them.
On the scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate the experience of the?
It is very nice. I will give 5 on 5. Not 5 on 5 because it is very good. I will give 100 on 100. All have done a lots of effort. Teachers, students, everyone. They have done a good job. It's very creative, very nice. Loved it very much.
તમારું ઓવરઓલ એક્સપિરિયન્સ કેવું છે? આજ અમારું એક્ઝિબિશન હતું અમારા સ્કૂલનું, તો કેવું છે તમે એક્સપિરિયન્સ તમે सांगો?
મેં અહીંયા બહુ જ સારું લાગ્યું. બધા કિડ્સે બહુ જ મહેનત કરી છે અને એકવાર તો જોવા આવવું જ જોઈએ. Hats off to you.
You can't even imagine such a thing. So even I.
How would you rate the exhibition from 1 to 5?
1 to 5. 5.
Yeah, I'm very impressed. That was the amazing experience for me. The little children created good projects.
It was really, it was unbelievable. It is awesome, and the efforts which we have seen, it is unbelievable actually, because few things I have seen in the project that which is impossible to make from my end also. So lovely it was, and the knowledge and the mind and the cleverness and the brilliancy of the people is extreme awesome.
एग्जीबिशन वॉज वेरी गुड। जो बच्चों ने और टीचर सब मैनेजमेंट ने जो मेहनत ली है वो बहुत अच्छी है। इट्स इनक्रेडिबल। आई हैव नो वर्ड्स टू से दिस। इट्स अ वेरी नाइस। आई सी दिस चिल्ड्रन, माय गॉड, दे आर माइंड ब्लोइंग। व्हाट आइडियाज दे आर हैविंग, हाउ दे मेड इट। इट्स द एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड एवरीथिंग इज सो नाइसली डन।
So how was your overall experience about this exhibition?
See, to be honest, the child mind setup was actually now really come up. See, I really like this guy, that guy. He was trying to give some new innovation, try to work on it, and these guys are now still in the 8th standard. I will appreciate it when they're looking for something more, technology to understand the concept. Like globally now, people are really going very, depth of the, your technology, like AIs and all, very just the initial surface. So it's really nice that the specifically this guy and that guy and another 2-3 programs also. I see that. Really like that.
Well, to be very honest, I have seen something new after many years. This actually reminds me of my school days. But this is very actually unique form of involving all the students, children in participating in this exhibition. Well, it is very, very, very good from my end.
It was very great and interesting. Many students have done their best work, and it's a lot hard work they have done, and we are exploring more.
Experience was very nice. The kids are superb and fantastic. All the teachers have worked hard very well, and all the parents have also given their best, and the kids have done fabulous.
The experience was wonderful. I think if you ask me to rate about this entire day or whatever the marvels that children have created, I want to even go beyond 100.
they've actually put a lot of hard work, and I love the way the kids are speaking, explaining their projects with complete confidence actually, and it's been wonderful to listen to all of you around the way.
Hi.
Hi.
So, which project caught your attention?
The robot maybe, and also the mechanism where you step on the tile and it generates electricity. It's a total hard work put in by the students and it's amazing to view. So maybe that project.
Hi.
Hi.
आपका आज का ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था?
बहुत ही अच्छा, बच्चों ने इतनी मेहनत की है कि बता नहीं सकते, इतना अच्छा है। बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है और भी अच्छा और हो सकता है, और भी कर सकते हैं हमारे बच्चे।
Thank you. Come on, let's explore the pre-primary section.
सगळ्यांना मदत करत होती. शेतकरी आल्याने म्हणाला की मी बी पेरते, पण तुम्हाला माहित आहे का काय तुझा तर काही मातांनी कथा टाकत तुळा केली, त्याने थोडी त्याची माता खूप दुःखी झाली, त्याने चुकी पक्षी खूप गेले.
As we can see, the students have taken a lot of efforts creating these unique and beautiful projects. This looks so pretty. Can you believe all these saris are hand painted by our students?
So, what makes this AE exhibition so special?
The AE exhibition, all of the students have put up so much of efforts, you know. Each one of have motivated themselves from the teachers, made themselves ready for each and everything, and they have made the best of themselves. You can see the replica of students in the project. So hats off to all the students and teachers who have taken a lot of efforts for them. Thank you.
What will be the one word you would use to describe the students today?
They are the warriors in the battlefield. So they are the warriors. The word I use for them is warriors.
Yeah, the main speciality is that it has happened for the first time. It is happening for the first time. And all the students have enthusiastically done all the project work, and they are explaining all the projects very well. And also we have covered all the subjects. Each and every subjects are covered in this exhibition. I'm sure parents are also enjoying it, and students have learnt a lot through this project.
हमारा एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत अच्छा रहा। सारे पेरेंट्स आ रहे हैं, भर भर के अपना एक्सपीरियंस जो आया है सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स देखकर, क्लासरूम डेकोरेशन देखकर उन्होंने बहुत ही सराहा की। सारे टीचर्स की तारीफ की, स्कूल मैनेजमेंट की तारीफ की, और अपने बच्चों को प्रोजेक्ट प्रेजेंटेशन देते समय जो उन्होंने देखा वो शायद ही आज तक उन्होंने देखा होगा। बहुत खुश होकर जा रहे हैं, और मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ आगे भी ऐसा हो। पेरेंट्स का साथ होना चाहिए।
One word to describe your student.
Student are the brains for the future, and they give their 100%. Like my dance exhibition is there, so they have given their 100% for this. Each and every child was there.
How does it feel to see your students' hard work come alive today?
A very good experience. I am enjoying to see all the students. Surprisingly, they are showing their full potential today. It's a good effort taken by all. Very happy.
For students, it's very good. They have done very nice work. इन्होंने जो काम किया है, भले पेरेंट के साथ में होंगे, लेकिन जो बच्चे लोग ने जो काम किया बहुत ही अच्छा किया है। एक एक चीज़ एक अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं, और उनका जो जरिया है काम करने का वो बहुत ही एक्सप्लेन अच्छा कर रहे हैं। सब पूरा उनका जो अंदर से स्ट्रेंथ है वो आप लोग को दिखा देता है, और ऐसे एग्जीबिशन बार बार होने चाहिए, ऐसे हमको लगता है।
In one sentence, I can just say that today's exhibition is a culmination of the efforts of all the teachers and the students to showcase their amazing projects and their hard work that they have. They have worked very hard over the past few weeks, and this is just a fantastic way to showcase this to everybody out there.
The dream of having a school to this level was started in 2010.
But yes, this dream of having an exhibition at this scale, planned it up in the beginning of the year, and I think right now it's like a dream which was seen by the heads and the school with the teachers and with the students, and it is a reality right in front of my eyes.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
गुड मॉर्निंग, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग.
AEA का एग्जीबिशन बाकी स्कूल से अलग क्यों है?
बेटा, ये एग्जीबिशन बाकी स्कूल से अलग क्यों है? क्योंकि ये एग्जीबिशन में बच्चों ने ही अपने प्रोजेक्ट बनाए हैं, बच्चों ने ही सब अपने मेहनत से सब किया है और बच्चे ही एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं टीचर्स के हेल्प के साथ. तो सब बच्चों को कैसे अपने आप एक्सप्लेन करना, उनको प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज कैसे मिले, ये हमेशा चाहती है कि बच्चे अपने आप करें टीचर की हेल्प से और आगे बढ़े. तो यही AEA का हमारा एम है कि बच्चे सबसे ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिकल सीख के टैलेंटेड हो. तो आज यहाँ पे AEA के इसमें बच्चे ही प्रोजेक्ट बनाए और बच्चे ही एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं विदाउट एनी टीचर्स हेल्प, या टीचर्स ने हेल्प उन्हें किया है ट्रेनिंग करने में. सबसे बड़ी हमारे थैंक्स टू टीचर ऑल्सो, क्योंकि टीचर के बिना ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं था. उन्होंने उनको इतने अच्छे से ट्रेन किया है कि बच्चों ने एक्सप्लेन भी बहुत अच्छे से किया है. और ये पेरेंट्स को भी सीखने के लिए, मुझे भी ऐसा लगा कि कोई चीज़ मुझे नहीं आती है, लेकिन बच्चों के एक्सप्लेन के बाद पता चला कि हाँ ये ऐसे होता है. तो ये लोग इतने अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं कि हर किसी को कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. और हमारा मोटो है कि कोई भी एज में हमको कुछ ना कुछ सीखना है. Thank you to all the student, parents and our teachers. Heads off to you to make the exhibitions very success, and thank to you also कि you are doing the great job. Our mass media, PE, every department, music, dance, Hindi, English, literatures, SST, maths, everybody is doing the good job.
What was your vision behind this exhibition?
A very good question. We have vision and we have mission, right? So the vision behind the exhibition was to showcase the talent of our students, not only in sciences but in fine arts, in languages, in sports, and fine arts includes art, music, dance, craft, everything. We meet students, we know they have certain hobbies, they select certain sport and fine arts, the form of fine arts as their hobby. But what are they learning? What is their passion? How it is coming across is what we wanted to understand ourselves. So the main vision was to understand what actually the talent of our student is and showcase it to the parents. So as I have gone around and I have seen, students have put in efforts, parents have put in efforts first and foremost, and the whole team behind this, from our heads to events team to arts team to everybody, all the teachers. I might be missing out on a few, but teaching, non-teaching staff, everyone has put an effort behind each project, the thought behind topics, how creative we can get so students can come up with certain projects on that. So it is basically, we have just given a little ignite and it's flaming, it is flaming with passion, compassion, a very strong thought process behind it, understanding of where we are heading. So I think it is a great opportunity, not only for the students and teachers, but even us as heads, to really understand how well our students have grasped it, how well they are performing it, and their passion towards their specific subjects.
The vision behind the exhibition was to depict what the students have learned in a practical manner. Like, students learn a lot of things, but when it comes to showing their art, it is the projects and the explanation that they give show how ready they are for the future.
Students always have their books to learn lots of things, but we wanted you all to have the hands-on experience, and there are so many things, additional information which are being shared by the students. We want it to be given to each and every child of the school.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
So are you happy about your project?
Yes!
What a day! We discovered, we explored, we were blown away by the creativity of Ankarwala Education Academy. Our student didn't just make a project, they built a magic. Today all of us got the front row seat to that magic.
Thank you to every student, teacher, and parent for making this exhibition an unforgettable experience. Here are our teachers making sure every small detail is perfect. Let's ask them a quick question. How are the preparations going on?
Hi, good morning. Yes, as you can see, in full swing.
I am very much excited for tomorrow's event. It's final day and we are waiting for the exhibition.
How's the Josh, guys?
Hi, sir!
We are fully prepared. We have done all the work outside walls and everything, and you will surprise with the fun-loving games also.
Are you excited for tomorrow's exhibition?
Yes, of course, and our students are also doing many things, so you can visit us and you will enjoy a lot.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
गुड मॉर्निंग, शुभ सकाळ.
तुमच्या एक्झिबिशनची थीम काय आहे?
आपल्या एक्झिबिशनची थीम महाराष्ट्रातील परंपरा, महाराष्ट्रातील लोकसंगीत आणि महाराष्ट्रातील गड किल्ले. तर महाराष्ट्र म्हटलं की शिवाजी महाराज आणि शिवाजी महाराज म्हटलं की गड किल्ले. गड किल्ले म्हणजे शौर्याचं, विजयाचं आणि स्वराज्याचं प्रतीक. आणि म्हणून महाराष्ट्राची परंपरा, महाराष्ट्राबद्दलची माहिती, मराठी माणूस, मराठी माती आणि मराठी या वस्तूवर होणारं जे प्रेम आहे त्यासाठी आपली ही थीम आहे.
विद्यार्थियों ने इसके लिए बहुत मेहनत किया है और जगह जगह से उन्होंने सामग्रियाँ एकत्र की हैं, लिखित सामग्री एकत्र की है, उसका उन्होंने एक मॉडल तैयार किया हुआ है. उसके पीछे का उद्देश्य यह है कि विद्यार्थी जो है उस विषय से संबंधित, अगर मैं हिंदी की बात करूं तो हिंदी विषय, हिंदी भाषा, उसका इतिहास से क्या विद्यार्थी कैसे उससे जुड़ सकते हैं, कैसे उसके महत्व को समझ सकते हैं और कैसे भाषा के विकास में अपना योगदान दे सकते हैं. ये बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो इस प्रदर्शनी के माध्यम से विद्यार्थियों को और भी जो उसको देखने वाले हैं, जो यहाँ पे आने वाले मेहमान हैं, उनके लिए भी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होगा.
Very much excited and it's going to be a wonderful exhibition. So I hope everyone is ready and all the best.
Very energetic and wonderful for tomorrow. I hope everything goes good and we are doing it good. So let's pray to God that it goes good.
It is in process and we are doing so much of hard work, and we feel that after the finishing it will be very looking beautiful. The whole corridor and this snake wall. We are into the process.
Not at all nervous, dear, but yes, excited and little worried because it's the first time that AEA is going in for an exhibition. And I hope my children and my teachers do their best. All the best to all of you.
All the students have worked very hard. Of course, their hard work will bear them the sweetest fruit.
Thank you for joining us on this exhibition adventure at Anchor Education Academy.